is correct. But now you also got to address some situations. Sometimes you have only 3 men on the job. So it all depends who the customer is. Sometimes you can have 2 guys to do one thing. You know what I'm saying? Because now you have a Johnny or somebody else in the truck, and now you have a customer in the living room like this.
Sitting around waiting.
You know what I'm saying? So if you got to do it by yourself, there's also an easy way, okay? What I do is, I'm by myself now, right? So I think ahead. It's glass, right? I think ahead. I look at the glass. Now I'm by myself. So it doesn't really matter. You know what I'm saying? So now you have 2 other guys working. So I get the glass. I put the blanket. Why? I put the blanket why? Because sometimes it's ceramics.
Hardwood floors.
Or hardwood floor, right? Even the glass can scratch. Okay? So I'm on my own. I can do it on my own. I do the corners, right? Like that. Leave it, because I'm on my own. Everybody's in the truck loading, right? So I do it on my own. I don't have to go crazy. Not at all. If I have good tape. We blame our suppliers. Right? So I do that. Then, like Robert said, I reinforce this and reinforce this. And I just prepared it. Why? Because I'm by myself. Right? So we did the first part, right? So I can do the second part by myself. Now it's protected. Right? So I do it by myself. Let's say nobody's helping me. I have everything next to me. That's the key. So I can do this while you guys are working. Instead, you know what, when people tell you, oh, can you come and help me? You say, can you do it by yourself? Yeah, I'll do it by myself. I don't need your help. Damien. All right, here. Corners again. Boom. Funny how I do the right measurement, right? I've done it a couple of times. So, a couple thousand. Boom. Okay, and I do the top. We're training, so there is no phones right now. Okay, now what do you think is next?
Put on the sock. Put on the sock.
In the middle.
Yeah.
Like Robert said, right?
Yeah.
All right, so I'll do another piece. And this is a little bit difficult, right? So how am I going to do the middle?
Well, right where you are standing.
I'm going to wrap it like that.
Yeah.
So now the glass is on me. Oh, wow, perfect.
Finesse.
You guys even notice his knees movement the whole time.
Yeah.
Okay, I do one,
He hasn't even moved his body.
right? And I'm flipping it again, together. You notice I'm putting only this. I'm putting 1 layer of tape. Now I can do the box. Okay, so I'm here, I'm by myself. Everybody's working. Boom. Floor was protected. Done. I don't need this anymore. So now I'm taking the picture box. I'm opening it just like Robert said. And be careful, because sometimes you can cut your hand here. Have it a couple of times. Make me some space, please. Now, when you do a crate, guys, make sure you have space.
No edges.
Like for example, I saw it before. This is a lamp. Oh, sorry, ma'am, I broke the lamp. You know what I'm saying? So make sure this is a statue. You know what I'm saying?